Good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are good. So, today we are going to start a new subject, that is general awareness. But before starting the class, what we have to do? We have to say prayer. Okay? So, all of you please join your hands and close your eyes and repeat the prayer after me. Okay? गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Very good, kids. So, now tell me, what is general awareness? क्या आपको पता है general awareness क्या है? Do you know what is general awareness? No? Okay, it's fine. Let me explain you. General awareness means the things which are surrounding us. जो चीज़ें हमारे आसपास रहती है ना, उसके बारे में जो नॉलेज हमें पता होना चाहिए वो हमें कहाँ से मिलता है? That we can get from a general awareness. Okay, so in the general awareness subject we are going to learn about ourselves, about our body, about our senses, about how to be clean, what things we have to do, what to eat, what to not, then about school, about our family, about the animals, then fruits, vegetables, flowers, colors, vehicles, seasons. So many things are there to learn in that general awareness subject. Okay, so these all the things you are going to learn. Okay, so today we are going to learn about ourselves. What is ourself? Ourself means we have to introduce ourselves by saying some sentences. That is, हमें अपना नाम बताना होता है. We have to know about our name. We have to tell about our name, our age, our school name, then in which class we are going to study, or which class we are in which class we are studying, then our parents' name. This all the things are including in our self, in myself. Okay, so if someone asks you what is your name, so what you have to tell? You have to tell your name. Name means what? जो आपका नाम है. For example, someone is asking me, please, what is your name? So what I should tell them? What I should tell him? I should tell him, my name is Snehal. My name is Snehal. Then if someone asks me, how old are you? Then I have to tell my age, that is I am 30-year-old. Like this, if someone asks you some questions, that time you have to know about that answers. Okay, you have to tell them the answers of that questions. So now we are going to learn about myself. Okay, now if you are a girl, now I'll just ask you something. I'm just going to tell you something to do. If you are a girl, raise your hand. अगर आप गर्ल हो तो अपना हाथ ऊपर करो. If you are a girl, you have to raise your hand. See? And yeah, very good. If you are a girl, you have to raise your hand. Very good. Then, if you are a boy, please raise your hand. Yes. So, this is a girl and this is a boy. First, you should know about the girl and boy. Okay. Then, see, who is a girl? This is a girl. And who is a boy? This is a boy. Girl means ladki. Boy means ladka. है ना? So, they came to school. ये भी आप जैसे स्कूल में आए हैं पढ़ने के लिए. They came to school for learn to new things. They came to school to learn so many things, to learn new things, to learn the things with fun. Yes or no? आप भी फनी वे से लर्न करने के लिए आए हो ना स्कूल. वैसे ही ये भी दोनों स्कूल में आए हैं. किस लिए आए हैं? To learn so many things. Okay. Now in your book set you have this book, orange color book. Okay, आपके जो बुक का सेट है उसमें ऑरेंज कलर का बुक है. That is general awareness book. What is the name of that book? General awareness book. Okay, you just have to open this book to the page number 4. See, क्या है ये? Page number 4. See, what is the name of the topic? This is me. What is the name of the topic? This is me. मतलब क्या? ये मैं हूँ. ये मैं हूँ. So, what you will do? Take your parents' help or tell your mama or dada to write that today's date. What is the date of today? Today is 14th July 2021. 14th 7 2021. And write here CW. Tell your mama to write CW. Okay. So this is me. See, there is a rhyme. Shall we sing? Shall we sing? Okay. So get up and do this rhyme with me with action. I am special. Repeat after me. I am special. I am special. So are you. So are you. We are very special. We are very special. Yes, it is true. Yes, it is true. अच्छी लगी आपको राइम? So now what you have to do? You have to stick your photo here. Okay, you have to paste your photo here. मम्मा की हेल्प ले लो. यहाँ पे glue, apply the glue on this empty place and paste your photo here. Okay, then down there is an activity. What is that activity? Tick the correct picture. So what you have to do? See, they have written here I am a girl and boy. So if you are a girl, you have to tick in the circle where is the girl. And if you are a boy, you have to tick that circle which is near to that boy. तो आपको क्या करना है? टिक करना. अगर आप गर्ल हो तो यहाँ पे टिक करो. अगर आप बॉय हो तो आपको यहाँ पे टिक करना है. So, if you are a girl, what you will say? I am a girl. And if you are a boy, what you will say? I am a boy. Understood about girl and boy? So now I will tell you how to give introduction about yourself, about myself. Okay? So now see, they have came to school to learn so many things, है ना? So now they are playing. Okay, they are playing in the classroom and they meet each other. Now they are going to talk about themselves. Okay, they are going to talk about themselves. Okay, so this boy is asking to the girl that, hello, what is your name? Hi, can you please tell me your name? What is your name? So this girl replied, hi, I am Anushka. Hi, my name is Anushka. Hello, what is, again that girl asked to that boy that what is his name. Okay, so how she will ask? Hi, what is your name? The boy replied, hello, my name is Manthan. So, if someone asks you, what is your name? You have to tell them your name. My name is so and so. For example, my name is Snehal Vikram Lohar. So, you have to tell your name in full sentence. Okay. My name is Snehal Vikram Lohar. How I am saying my name? My name is Snehal Vikram Lohar. So, like this only you have to say your name. You have to tell your name in full sentence. Then, let's see. Hello. Who are you? The girl is asking. Who are you? Then, what he will reply? I am a boy. What he will reply? I am a boy. Who are you? The boy asked to the girl. Who are you? Then what Anushka said? What Anushka will say? I am a girl. So she is a girl. So what she will say? I am a girl. And what he will say? I am a boy. Okay. If someone asks you, who are you? Then what you will say? If you are a girl, what you will say? I am a girl. And if you are a boy, then what you will say? I am a boy. Then the next question is, how old are you? Means what? What is your age? Someone is asking about your age. Okay. So what you will say? I am 5 years old. What you will say? I am 5 years old. Okay. So these are some question. So these are some question can ask anyone to you. Okay. जो कोई भी आपको ये questions पूछे तो आप आपका introduction कैसे देंगे? My name is Snehal Vikram Lohar. I am a girl. I am 30 years old. I am studying in LKG class. कैसे बोलोगे आप? In which class you are studying? I am studying in LKG class. अब कौन से क्लास में पढ़ रहे हो? LKG क्लास में, है ना? So, did you understand about this is me? Did you understand about the difference of girl and boy? How to tell your name? How to tell your age? How to tell you about your this girl and boy, how to tell about your class. Okay, so these all the things you can learn in this introduction of myself. Okay, so I am going to give you some activity. Okay, आपको क्या करना है? You have to paste your photo here. Okay, you have to paste your photo here. This is me. So then I am a girl, or you have to tick that. If you are a girl, you have to tick in this circle, and if you are a boy, you have to tick in this circle. Okay, paste your photo here and do this activity. Okay, so tomorrow we will meet once again. Till then, take care. Bye bye.